Actually, Jack on location, this time on top of the dam once again. As you can see directly below me is anomaly number 1, exhibit A, the Mud Bank A. You can see the large tree stump directly over there. As we get a little further down, you have the natural channel of the river is right up ahead. There it goes from the older trees to the fairly recently planted bamboo grove directly there. Very clean from here on. Mud bank number A just has a unusual look to it, doesn't it? Big tree stumps right there. The only place that's had that carved through there is where the driveway is. All this to the west side is all new, scraped up to make the dam. Well, back through there is where you're going to see the buckling and the mud banks and everything back up in this, where the older trees are. Let me jack over and out.